Good morning, students. Today we will start with our first chapter, What is Democracy? Why Democracy? Of Political Science. What is the meaning of democracy? The word democracy comes from the Greek word demokratia. In Greek, demo means people and kratia means rule. According to Abraham Lincoln, democracy is government of the people, for the people, by the people. In this chapter, we will explore the meaning, need, and features of democracy. What is the need of defining democracy? Defining democracy is essential because it should be clearly understood. Different people use it for different purposes, and also different kind of government call themselves as democracies. We can understand the meaning of the word like democracy only by observing some examples. But we need to define it more accurately so that we can use it correctly for describing other similar situations instead of just accepting what it means to other people. Democracy is a form of government in which rulers are elected by the people. From this definition, we can clearly separate non-democratic governments. For example, army rulers of Myanmar are not elected by the people and are thus non-democratic. Dictators like Augusto of Chile are not elected by the people. This is also applicable to the King of Saudi Arabia and Nepal. If we accept this situation, it implies that almost every government is a democracy that holds an election. But it would be very misleading. We need to carefully distinguish between a government that is a democracy and one that pretend to be democracy. So we clearly want to separate two type of government, one which is actually democracy and the other one which is pretending to be the kind of a democratic government. Till here we are clear with the meaning of the word democracy. It means the government in which the ruler are elected by the people. And what about Abraham Lincoln? What he said, that it is the government of the people, by the people, for the people. Till here we can easily understand the meaning of democracy. Now we will move forward to the features of democracy. What are the features of democracy? The democracy has the following features. First of all, rulers elected by the people take all the major decisions. In democratic government, the ruler which we as a common people elect take the major decisions. Second, election offer a choice and fair opportunity to the people to change their current ruler. We have the opportunity to change our current or a present ruler by the process of election, which held after every 5 years. The choice and opportunity is available to all the people on equal basis. Then we have major decisions by elected leaders. General Musharraf ruled Pakistan from 1999 will give us one important feature of democracy. We will study about the case of Pakistan. In Pakistan, General Pervez Musharraf led a military coup in October 1999. He overthrew a democratically elected government and declared himself the chief executive of the country. Later, he changed his designation to president. In 2002, he held a referendum in the country that granted him a 5-year extension. Pakistan media human rights organization, said that the referendum was based on malpractices and fraud. In August 2002, Musharraf issued a legal framework order that amended the constitution of Pakistan. According to this order, the president can dismiss the national or provincial assemblies. The work of the civilian cabinet is supervised by a National Security Council which is dominated by military officers. However, elected representatives had some power, but the final power was in the hand of military officers and General Musharraf. So, this condition cannot be termed as people's rule. Here, the first feature of democracy is clear, that in a democracy, the final decision-making power must rest with those elected by the people. So, in the case of Pakistan, we can understand that the power elected in the hand of the people itself.